Welcome to Organizing with Ease, where we simplify and organize our lives for the better. I'm Diana Moll, your host, here to guide you towards a more organized and enriching life. Together, let's explore practical strategies, inspiring stories, and expert advice to simplify every aspect of our lives. Are you ready to embark on this journey with ease? Let's start. Hello, friend. Today, we're diving deep into the daily household tasks of managing our homes. From the never-ending cycle of laundry to the mountain of dishes and the challenge of meal prep. These tasks can feel so overwhelming, but fear not, because I've been there too, and I'm here to share some practical tips and tricks to make it all a little more manageable. So grab your apron and let's get started on this journey to conquer household essentials together. Why not start with laundry? As you all know, it has been my nemesis, but it's also that never ending battle against stains and wrinkles. I'll be the first to admit that I've had my share of total laundry mishaps. From accidentally turning my favorite white shirt, it's always the favorite one, right? I don't know why, but it always is. It seems to be that white shirt that turns pink, to shrinking a sweater in the dryer. And that is just, I cry when that happened. I can be frustrated. It can be so frustrating to say the least, but through trial and error, I've learned a few tricks that made laundry day a little less daunting. So picture this. It's Sunday afternoon, and I'm totally knee deep in a pile of dirty clothes, dreading the hours of sorting, washing, folding ahead of time. Ahead of me is all this time, and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, does it sound familiar? Well, one thing that's helped me stay sane is establishing a routine. Yes, I have now dedicated specific days to tackle different aspects of laundry. So on Mondays, I do my bed sheets and 2 loads. On Wednesdays, I wash my towels and 2 loads. Fridays, I wash my bath mats and 2 loads. I've been able to break the cycle of overwhelming and staying on top of things. Now, you don't necessarily need to use those 3 days out of the weekday, but I have seen that this is what works for our family. Now, are there things in between that need to get washed sometimes? Yes, but that's okay because the rest and the majority of my loads of laundry have been completed. And so I can tackle on any of those unexpected last minute oh no's that need to be washed for the next day. Let's continue on our journey through the world of dishwashing, shall we? Here's a little secret I've discovered along the way. I'm going to share it with you. You ready? Mhm. The dishwasher is your best friend. Yes, you heard me right. Gone are the days of endless scrubbing and rinsing. With the magic of modern technology, we can simply place all our dishes in the dishwasher and let it do the dirty work for us. Picture this. It's the end of a long day, and the last thing I most certainly don't want to do is to tackle a sink full of dishes, right? And as you all know, I don't like leaving dirty dishes in the sink overnight. So instead, I gather up the dirty plates, glasses, and utensils. I load them up in the dishwasher, and it's a simple act. But there's one thing that brings a sense of relief and satisfaction is that knowing that they're going to be cleaned the next day. And that's why I run the machine at night. So by the time I wake up in the morning, the dishes are sparkling clean and ready to be put away while I wait for my coffee to be brewing. Of course, I'll let you on a little secrets. Sometimes I actually forget to run the dishwasher at night. Life gets busy, and it's easy to overlook these little tasks. But you know what? That's okay. Because even if I forget one night, I simply run the dishwasher the next morning, as I've done countless of times, trust me, before. It's a small hiccup in the grand scheme of things, and certainly nothing to stress over. So here's my advice to you. Embrace the power of the dishwasher, make it a part of your nightly routine, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your dishes will be taken care of while you sleep. And if you happen to forget one night, don't sweat it. There's always tomorrow to try it again. Last but not least, let's talk about meal prep, the holy grail of busy weeknights everywhere. Can you relate? Can you agree? I'm sure you're probably shaking your head and actually saying the word, yes, I totally can. As someone who loves to cook, but often finds herself, me, short on time, I've had to get creative when it comes to planning meals and prepping. But let me tell you, the payoff is well worth the effort. One thing that really has helped me stay on track with meal planning is carving out dedicated time each week to plan and prep any meals, whether it's on a Sunday afternoon or a quiet evening after work. I'll spend an hour or two chopping veggies, portioning out ingredients, and prepping meals for the week. I also involve the family. If there is a special recipe that I might not have ingredients for, then of course I will add that onto my shopping list. Not only does this save me time and stress during the busy work week, but it also ensures that I and my family are eating healthier and definitely saving money in the long run. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into my own struggles and triumphs when it comes to managing these three household essentials. Remember, we're all in this together, and there's no shame in asking for help when you need it. So whether you're battling those laundry stains, those piles of loads of laundry that need to get done, conquering dirty dishes, or mastering the art of meal prep, know that you're not alone, and together we can overcome any obstacles that comes our way. I'm going to tell you, you've got this. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to Organizing with Ease podcast on your favorite podcast platform and leave us a review. Your feedback helps us grow and reach more listeners like you who are passionate about living their best lives. And remember, a new episode comes out every Thursday at 8 a.m. So mark your calendar and join us. Until next week, take care and keep shining bright.